So we have had such fun doing our Tuesday night group nutrition classes and had a lot of momentum going. So hopefully we're not going to hurt that too badly by moving it to Saturday mornings. So those of you who've been saying, oh, I wish it was Saturday, don't let me down. You better come. We're going to kick it off in April with Food Addiction 911. Then we're going to have an author of a book doing a kimchi class, and you get to learn how important that is for your gut health, leaky gut, and all these things. We just work so beautifully together. And then we're going to do an immune boosters class, and then in May we're going to host Dr. Aldo doing an Alzheimer's seminar. Don't miss that. Spread the word for everybody. We're going to also do our sleep class in May, which people had results in their first week already. So that's wonderful. And we'll do a meal prep class. But also, if you want to host your own on days that are more suitable for any group you're part of, whether it's at our office or at your venue, let me know. There's a lot more topics to choose from. They're all on healthycookingoftexas.com under classes. And if you want to see the ones that are scheduled, then click the What's Happening tab and you can see those and get your tickets. And if you bring a friend, guess what? You get $5 back. So if you're one of our existing customers, that means you come for free. And if you're not, that means it's just $5. It includes a booklet, wonderful knowledge, and some recipes that we make in class, and you get to sample. So lots of fun, but the most important thing is it's making a difference. So we hope to see you Saturday, first Saturday in April, Food Addiction 911. So lots of exciting things going here, and we hope to see you at all of them. Bye.